So, what can I do for you?
Yes, hello. I am here to ask if you are having any trouble with the doors or windows of this house.
Not that I know of. This is a very new house.
I understand how you may think that, but a lot of the houses in this neighborhood were very poorly made.
Where did you hear that?
At the community center. We had a round table meeting about it.
Which community center? I didn't know there was a community center nearby.
Of course there is. There are a lot of community centers around. Actually, I have heard that your house was poorly made in several local community centers.
I really don't understand. I didn't buy a used house because I wanted my house to be built properly.
That seems like it might be true, but today's building materials are not as good as ones used in the past.
Listen, I don't really understand what you are talking about.
You see these walls? In older houses they are made of plaster or drywall. Yours seem to be made of puff pastry. Try them. They are delicious, I bet.
My God.
Yes, I know. And you see this ceiling? It is made of the same material they make candy canes out of. Although you can see these are not striped.
And what about the floors? Are they made of brownies or something?
That is ridiculous. You can't walk on brownies. The floor is made of wood.
Oh, well, that should be safe then.
Not really. It is wood that has had a curse placed upon it. It was probably very difficult to saw.
Why would they use wood that was difficult to saw?
I am guessing that the contractor did not really like you very much. Did you say something bad to him?
Not that I know of. I mean, there was once.
Once what?
Well, he might have overheard me telling my wife that his truck was quite raggedy.
Oh my. What were you thinking? Contractors are very sensitive about their trucks. You probably hurt his feelings.
So much that he put cursed wood in my house?
No, he did that because he thought you wouldn't pay. The puff pastry walls are for the truck comment. That is my guess at least.
Well, oh my. I am not sure what to do.
The first thing I would suggest is not eating the walls or licking the ceiling. And you might want to sacrifice an animal in here to appease the cursed floorwood.
These are all viable options, I suppose. Although I am still unsure of what to do in the long term. This seems like a dangerous place to live.
It is. It is very dangerous. There are probably several animals making plans to eat your walls and lick your ceilings right now. I do not think you will make it through the night.
This is also shocking to me. I am not sure why you would have come here to tell me all of this.
I want to sell you a set of encyclopedias.
What? You just told me that this house was unlivable. Why would I need encyclopedias?
Well, I am pretty sure there is a section on how to build a new house with proper materials in there somewhere.
That does not seem like a set of encyclopedias that I have ever heard of.
So the man with the puff pastry walls and cursed floor is going to tell me my business?
Fine, fine. How much are your encyclopedias?
It doesn't matter. I am not going to sell them to you now.
Why not? I thought that is why you were here.
It was originally, but you hurt my feelings. It is hard enough to sell encyclopedias these days, what with the internet and such. No one uses them anymore.
Well, it is so much easier to look things up. Encyclopedias are becoming obsolete.
We have made many changes to these encyclopedias to stay current. This latest set includes gratuitous nudity, in fact.
It does? In the sections on anatomy?
No, in the sections about chemistry. All of our chemists were photographed in the nude.
That seems odd.
I am not going to argue with you. I was at the photo shoot. It was very awkward.
So why would I want these encyclopedias?
What do I care? I am not selling them to you. My feelings are still hurt.
I am very sorry. What can I do to make it up to you?
Can I take a bite of your wall?
Sure, I'll get you some crab dip.
I appreciate it. I will help you fight the animal invaders. There is a section in the encyclopedias on how to defend puff pastry candy cane houses from various creatures.
That seems like a section that is very specialized.
You need to go to more community centers. A lot of people have this problem.
Do they have a basketball hoop there?
Yes.
Do you want to go there now?
For what?
We can join a 3-on-3 basketball tournament.
But there are only 2 of us.
Oh, I forgot. That would be a huge disadvantage.
Yes. Let's just stay here, eat the walls, and hope that it is only squirrels and birds that want to eat your house.
What about the cursed floor wood?
That is the least of our worries,
Why is that?
because I see a bear.
Oh God. Hold me.
Good night, my sweet prince.
I have cherished our time together.